I don't think Musamseleku does not know Makumalo have a child. Musamseleku knows that Makumalo have a child. That's why he didn't introduce her to Macele. He hid their relationship for a long time. Makumalo stayed in Muzumbe. Mayeni and Macele, they think that Makumalo is a helper. But Makumalo was Musamseleku's girlfriend. Musamseleku pay lobolo to Makumalo's family. Macele does not know. Why Musamseleku hide to Macele? Because Macele moved and stay in Sipak because Musamseleku told Macele he want to have Istanbul. Why he didn't introduce Makumalo the way he introduced to Masaule? Musamseleku, he did the first mistake because Macele was very hurt when she find that Masaule have her own child. Musamseleku have got empty promises to his wives. Musamseleku promised Macele that he doesn't want to get married to a woman who have a child. Musamseleku didn't tell Macele that Masaule have her own child. And now it happened to Makumalo again. Makumalo have a child. So Musamseleku hide the secret to Macele and say maybe Makumalo's child have to remain at her parents' house. He was doing it for Macele. But Macele was keeping asking people who are coming from Muzumbe because Macele heard with some rumors that Makumalo have a child. You know that people, they can talk about your husband, that your husband, he married to a girl who have got a child, and Makumalo have got many history. What happened? You know that when you are a child, there are mistake when you did the mistake, and people, they are starting talking about Makumalo. They are starting telling Macele, guys, other people, they start mocking Makumalo, what, and tell Macele everything about Makumalo. That's Macele find it. It's not about Musamseleku. When we saw him on diaries and he said he does not know Makumalo have a child, Musamseleku was protecting himself. You know that this man, I don't understand him. He was protecting himself, like that's why he did to Mayeni and Macele. Like Makumalo maybe was the one who bring herself or who approach Musamseleku to say, I love you to Musamseleku, I want to marry you. Like Makumalo, she was desperate to get married because Mayeni and Macele, they are always blaming Makumalo that you took my husband. Makumalo, she came as a helper, what, you understand it? Because, and now Musamseleku lied that I did not know that Makumalo have a child because he want to clean himself and leave Makumalo on dirty water. Musamseleku knows the truth that Makumalo have a child because he did the same mistake to Masaule, to Makumalo, and now it's Mangwabe. He bring Mangwabe again. That's why he told Mangwabe to leave your son, not staying with your son, because he doesn't want to tell Macele that Mangwabe have a child. Musamseleku did 3 times 3 mistakes to Macele because he promised Macele that I want to have Istanbul polygamy, but I don't want to get married to a woman who have a child. The 3 of them, and what you said, sometimes you can fall in love with a woman who have a child and you are not expecting it. Maybe those women, they started dating Musamseleku, but they didn't tell him that they have got kids. I don't understand. And Musamseleku was already fall in love with them. That's why he was continuing that he doesn't have a choice because he is already fall in love with them. But what he said on diary is that he does not know that Makumalo have a child. He heard with some rumors. Musamseleku was trying to clean himself because Musamseleku, he want to tarnish Makumalo's name. What I saw now, because it's a game between the 2 of them. So Musamseleku, he want to come clean and leave Makumalo now in dirty. You understand it? So guys, it's not about he doesn't not know. He knows. That's why he keep hiding Makumalo. He doesn't want to know because why he didn't introduce here to Macele. He paid lobol. Imagine, guys, you can hear that your husband already paid lobol to his girlfriend. They are married, and you don't know that your husband now he is married to another wife. Macele does not know all the time. And Macele and Mayeni, they hate Makumalo like Makumalo is the one who have problem.